Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today's the 19th day of May 2021, and guess what? We got you. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Tilray, all without being confused. We did a price prediction into the market in Tilray, and you guys can tell we didn't get it correct. We got it wrong, and it happens. You know, once you read the markets and call the market for yourself, you will see times to where you do not get it correct, right? And we're going to talk about that, see where we got it wrong, and then we're going to talk about where we're expecting Tilray to go so that we can capitalize into the market in the future. So before I do, this is your first time seeing this video, and you all appreciate how someone is actually out there giving you all their price prediction without using pointless indicators, without talking about this technical jargon, trying to confuse you as if they're some type of expert. We're here. This is why we're doing this particular video. It's to show you that you can do this for yourself and it doesn't have to be confusing. So make sure, if you appreciate it, hit that thumbs up button, like the video, subscribe to our channel, build this community, because we want to have a massive influx of individuals who can do this for themselves, to where they don't have to have someone tell them that a particular market is a buy, and they don't have to pay thousands of dollars for some proprietary software that's supposed to give you all a heads up or a leg up against everyone else in the market. Join us. So now, Tilray. Last time we did our price prediction in the market in Tilray was back here on April the 28th, April the 29th. It is in our playlist. We're not hiding anything from you all. This is the prime example of us showing you all that we didn't get it correct, right? And to learn from this, you need to understand at what point would you start paying more attention to your prediction and understand that the market is not going the way that you wanted it to go. It would have been right here on this particular trading day. Okay, right there. May the 3rd was the biggest indication that our prediction into the market in Tilray is not correct, right? Why? Well, because following before that day, May the 3rd, April the 30th, the market in Tilray tried to go higher in price, right? But it didn't do it. And then for us to start off the trading week on May the 3rd, closing on the low, that continually shows us that the market in Tilray is still weak. So we were already under the mind frame that, yeah, this may not be a right prediction. And this is how you're able to minimize those losses. Once you see that weakness, or the market is not going the way that you expected it to go, you need to cut it. Because if you didn't cut the market prediction right there on May the 3rd, and you continually held the market right here on our support area, which we would have done because we already identified that the area of support was right there around $15.40, we would have had to cut it right there, right? But you can tell since then the market in Tilray has just been hovering, right? So it seems as if we've came into the market too early to expect price to go higher. That's what I'm seeing. So yeah, we didn't get this correct. So to get out right now, we'll be down around 20%, right there around our support price. So it happens. We learn from it. We move on to the next play so that we can continually win into the market for Tilray. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. And I'm going to zoom out. And I want to show you all something else that I'm noticing into the market in Tilray. Okay, take a look at this. I'm going to take this line right here, and I'm going to show you all what is going on in this particular stock. You see that? It's just that simple. Everyone else tries to come in and give you the maybe, shoulda, coulda, wouldas as to what the price is anticipated to do. All I did was taking that one line, and you can now tell that Tilray is still touching the overall ascending line, right? We're here, right there, just like it did it back here in December of 2020. It did it again right there in mid-December of 2020, and we started the trend back there in October. Boom. Now, was that hard? Was that difficult? So if we're going to see any increase in price, it's right now. So what we need to do, we need to see market strength come into the market in Tilray right now, which we've seen that so far, right? The trap has already confirmed that it wants to hold this area as support, this ascending line. Excellent. We got it. Cool. But it doesn't mean that we are out the woods of this market in Tilray doing a breakout, right? We still need to be more realistic in understanding that this trend in Tilray is still one of lower prices. Okay. We're still in a downtrend in the near term. We just came and touched base right quick. That's all. So now we need to try to make a determination as to how high the market is anticipated to go in Tilray above this trend that we have drawn, right? So we're already here now. Okay, on a 3-day time frame, back here in January 2020, the market was acting as support. We're here again, and the market may act as restriction this go around. Okay. Now, if we're able to break price above, what is that, $15.50, which is pretty good. The next area of restriction would be around 18. Okay. So let's look at this different time frame in a longer term to see if we can actually see that play out into the market in Tilray. Yes, we're still seeing some market strength come in Tilray on the 5-day time frame. This is the weekly. We got 2 days and 10 hours left. So far, we're looking pretty good in the sense that Tilray can continue to go higher in price. But I'm going to be more real with you all. I'm not going to tell you that this market is going to 10x or 50x your money, right? Maybe just around $18. Would you take that? Because the first area will be around $17.50, all the way up there to 20, maybe. I don't even really see 20, but there's a slim possibility that the market can just barely touch it in the long term, right? Now let's see this 2 weeks time frame. It could go either way. 3 weeks, same thing. Okay. So the only thing that I'm really basing this prediction off of is this ascending line, right? If we break this ascending line, we're going to come all the way back down to $12, period. Okay. You can actually see that. One thing I wanted to show you here on the 5 weeks time frame, you got 2 days and 10 hours left. I want you all to look at this spread, right? And you want to compare it to the other price bars you see. Look at that spread right there versus this one, right? Take a look at them, both of them, compare them, right? One is smaller than the other price bar. Got it. But then when you compare it to the volume that is combined with those price bars, we're seeing a lot more volume come in on this current 5-week price bar than we did on the last one. So what does that mean? It tells you a lot. It means a lot. And it shows me that we've seen some market participants come in and try to buy up Tilray. Right there. Right here alongside this ascending line. So what we're going to do is we're going to play the strength into the market in Tilray. Okay. But I'm going to be realistic. Okay. I'm not telling you that the market in Tilray is going to catapult all the way up there towards $40. Not at all. You can even tell that May the 19th, which is today, the market is supposed to come out with earnings, which can have a major impact on where price is going to go. Okay. Now I told you that $12 will be the next area of support. So we'll hold the market there in Tilray. So we would actually expect the market to go down to $12, and in anticipation, that is something that can actually happen. We said that we would come in and TP out the market around $17.60. was around 12.75% profitability. And then that's the first area of TP. What, $17.60 is the first area. Second area, I'm going to take it up there towards $18. Okay. So this is it. This is where we're expecting the market and Tilray to go over in the next couple of days. We're not being overly bullish. We're not being overly bearish, but we're just simply looking for the market and Tilray to give us a little bit of increase of higher price. Okay. So now that's it. I want you all to drop the comment in the comment section and let me know, what do you all think? Call the market for yourself. Give yourself your own price prediction as to where you think the market price is going to go for Tilray, and leave us a comment below. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.